Hello students, welcome to E-Class of General Knowledge with your Sarika Sharma ma'am. Hope you all are safe at home. Dear students, today I am going to teach you 3 topics. Threat in the wild, mountain high and body support. Let's begin with the topic Threat in the wild, page number 3031. Children, threat in the wild here refers to the endangered animal. And what do you mean by endangered? Endangered means to be under threat or near extinction when a species or animal is endangered. It means that they are disappearing fast or have a very small population, not large enough to survive. If I explain in Hindi, threat in the world is वन्य जीवन को खतरा. Okay? And some of the biggest threats, क्या क्या खतरे हो सकते हैं to wildlife include illegal wildlife trade, habitat destruction and climate change. Examples: tiger, turtle, giant panda, etc. Children, read about these endangered animals and know why they are in danger. An animal is said to be in danger or endangered when there are very few of them alive. So here are the examples of some endangered animals. Giant panda. Giant panda in Chinese, the giant panda is called large bear cat. They are one of the world's rarest animal and very shy. They are shy in nature, children. Giant panda eats a lot of bamboo. And why he is endangered? Because people cut down more and more bamboo to clear land for building, industry and farming. The panda loses its food sources and its home. The another reason, children, here is the picture of giant panda on your screen. The another reason is that the giant panda is very slow to reproduce. Therefore, it has very few babies during its life. So, why the giant panda isn't endangered? Why? Reason is, one, the people are cutting more and more bamboo to clear land for building, industry and farming, as the bamboo is the food of giant panda. And another, giant panda is slow to reproduce. Now next, Javan rhinoceros. The Javan rhinoceros is big and strong. They live on the Indonesian island of Java. Their armor-plated skin looks like similar to Indian rhinoceros, but the Javan rhinoceros is bit slimmer. It looks like the rhinoceros, Indian rhinoceros, but it is little bit slimmer. Here is the picture of Javan rhinoceros. And why they are in endangered, children? Why they are endangered animal? Because their homeland is disappearing because of deforestation. What is deforestation, children? Cleaning of wide area of trees. This is called deforestation. And Javan rhinoceros is endangered because their homeland is disappearing. So, and people often hunt them for their horns. So their population has become very small, children. Today, only 40 to 60 Javan rhinoceros are alive in a national park in Java. Another reason, children, some people believe that their horns can be used to make special medicine. So people often hunt them for their horns. This is the one reason that they are in endangered, and another is because of deforestation. Next children, snow leopard. As the name says, snow leopards live comfortably in cold and snowy climates. They are found mainly in Central Asia and the Himalayan region. Why they are in endangered children? These leopards are mainly hunted for their beautiful white fur. If I'll show you the picture, see the fur of this snow leopards. जनरली ये जो आप देख रहे हैं इसके फर की जैकेट्स बनाई जाती हैं. वी आर मेकिंग द जैकेट्स, कोट्स, पर्स, and it is very costly, right? So these leopards are mainly hunted for their beautiful white fur. It's rare, beautiful, and it's rare, beautiful children, and fur could sell for a very high price. Some snow leopards are also killed by local people to protect their domestic goats. As they are killing the domestic goats of the some farmers, so what do the people do? Local people killed them to protect their domestic goats. It is believed that only 45,000 to 75,000 snow leopards are living in the wild today. So why they are in endangered? Reason is people hunted for their beautiful white fur. The next animal is blue whale. The blue whale is endangered because of overhunting. They are mainly killed because of large supplies of oil and meat from their bodies. They are also killed by being run over by ships and due to pollution in seas and oceans. Here is the picture of blue whale, and that animal is endangered because of overhunting. Next, black lemur. The black lemur is a rare monkey that lives only on the island of Madagascar. They are in danger, children. Why? Because of deforestation on the island where they live, and the another main problem is poaching. And what is poaching, children? Poaching is when people illegally kill a wild animal for their profit. This is done mainly when the wild animal possesses something valuable like beautiful fur, horn, or tusk. Poaching is the biggest threat to animals, children. It is also a crime in the eyes of law. And as I told you just now, that people killed the animal for their valuable like beautiful fur. Snow leopard killed due to poaching, as these animals have beautiful fur. Javan rhinoceros, they killed due to their horns. So people kill them illegally. This is called poaching. Poaching is when people illegally kill a wild animal. Black lemurs are hunted to make pets and for consumption. Here is the picture of black lemur, and why they are in danger because of deforestation and due to poaching. Problem is poaching. Next, Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger is the second largest species of the tiger. Today, due to habitat loss by deforestation and hunting by human poachers. Who are the poachers, children? The people who killed the animal, wild animal illegally. That people are called poachers. And the Bengal tiger is considered an endangered species. There are only about 2,000 Bengal tiger left in the wild. Only 2000 Bengal tigers left in the wild. Here is the picture of Bengal tiger. So what is the main reason of the wild animals they are endangered? The main reason, deforestation and poaching. Okay, now come to the exercise. Children, whatever I have told you before, explained you about giant panda, Javan rhinoceros, snow leopard, blue whale, black lemur and Bengal tiger, you have to only read this. No need to copy down this in the copy. And this exercise of chapter page number 31, which I am going to teach you, this also you will write only in the book, not in the copy. Exercise of chapter, read the clues and name these endangered animals. The name of this endangered animal sounds like a cocoon. It washes its food before eating it. Very intelligent. Raccoon. 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 The name of this endangered animal sounds like a cocoon. It washes its food before eating it. Raccoon. RACCOON. Second, the name of which endangered whale sounds like a criminal? The name of which endangered whale sounds like a criminal? Killer whale. KILLERWHALE. Killer whale. Number 3. Which endangered animals look like a pig and has a long flexible nose? Which endangered animal looks like a pig and has a long flexible nose? Answer is tapir. TAPIR. Next, fourth. Name the endangered colorful tropical parrot mainly found in Southern America. Macaw. MACAW. Name the endangered colorful tropical parrot mainly found in Southern America. Macaw. MACAW. 5. Last one. This endangered reptile is basically found in the rivers of northern India. It has a long snout and has more than 50 sharp teeth. Name the reptile. Gharial. GHARIAL. This endangered reptile is basically found in the rivers of northern India. It has a long snout and has more than 50 sharp teeth. Name the reptile. Answer is Gharial. GHARIAL. Children, 31 page you have to write only in the book. Now what you have to do in copy? Home assignment. Write any 5 endangered animal. Only this work you will do in copy. Nothing else. Of the page number 30 and 31, only this work you will do. Write any 5 endangered animal. You can write giant panda, snow leopard, blue whale, black lemur, Bengal tiger. Okay, children? Now, come to the next topic, that is mountain high. Page number 32. Children, everybody is familiar about the mountain, what is mountain, but even that I'll give you an introduction. A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land in limited area. Usually in the form of a peak. एक चोटी के रूप में ये होते हैं. A mountain is generally considered to be a steeper than a hill. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा चढ़ाई से होता है तो it is steeper than a hill. You might have gone to some hill station like Mussoorie, Kullu, Manali, Shimla, and you must have seen different kinds of mountains there. Here in this chapter, let's try to know how much you know about the mountains of the world. I am showing you some pictures of the mountains. Andes, Mount Olympus, Ural, and Himalayas. Okay, children? Now come to the exercise. Fill in the blanks to see how much you know about the mountains of the world. First, Mount Everest, the highest mountain peak, is a part of which mountain range? Himalayas. I have shown you the picture also. Mount Everest, the highest mountain peak, is part of which mountain range? Himalayas. Himalayas. Next, children. Which is the largest mountain range in the world? Andes. That picture also you have seen before. Which is the largest mountain range in the world? Answer Andes. Andes. Question number 3. If you were visiting Mount Ararat, in which country would you be in? If you were visiting Mount Ararat, in which country would you be in? Turkey. 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 Next, children. Mount Fuji, an active volcano, is located in which country? Mount Fuji, an active volcano, is located in which country? Japan. 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 Question number 5. The Rocky Mountain range stretches from Canada to which other country? I repeat, the Rocky Mountain range stretches from Canada to which other country? Answer is Mexico. 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 Question number 6. Mount Blanc or the White Mountains are part of which mountain ranges? Mount Blanc or the White Mountains are part of which mountain ranges? Answer Alps. 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 Question number 7. If you were at the Mount Olympus, in which country would you be in? Mount Olympus is a mountain, and in which country it is? Greece. 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 Question number 8. Name the mountain range that separate Asia from Europe. Asia और Europe को separate करता है which mountain range? Ural. I have shown you the picture before that also. Ural. Ural. Okay. Next, children. Mount McKinley, now called Denali, is the highest mountain of which country? Mount McKinley, or now called Denali, is highest mountain of which country? United States of America. United States of America. United States, States of America. America. Next, children. In which continent is Mount Kilimanjaro? In which continent is Mount Kilimanjaro? Answer is Africa. Africa. Okay, next. Where can you find the Matterhorn mountain range? Where can you find the Matterhorn mountain range? Children, what is Matterhorn? Matterhorn is a mountain of Alps. Matterhorn is a mountain of Alps. And what are Alps, children? Alps, a high mountain, especially a snow-capped one. It is not Alps. What are Alps? A high mountain, especially a snow-capped one. Okay. So Matterhorn is a mountain of Alps. Where can you find the Matterhorn mountain range? Switzerland. SWIT Switzerland. 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 Next, question 12, last. The Great Dividing Range lies to the west of which Australian city? I repeat, the Great Dividing Range lies to the west of which Australian city? Sydney. 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 Okay, children. So this work, page number 32, also you will do in the book only. You will do in the book only. What you have to do in copy? Here is the assignment. Write any five mountain range. Write any 5 mountain range. At what is the answer? You can write any 5 mountain range. Himalayas. You can write Andes. You can write Ural. You can write Alps. You can write Rocky Mountain, Mount Olympus. Any 5 mountain range you can write. I repeat, children, you can write as I have shown you in the picture also, children. 4 mountains I have shown you in the picture. I am showing you again. Andes, Mount Olympus, Ural, Himalayas, Mount Fuji. You can write any 5 mountain range. Okay? So this is the assignment. I hope, children, 2 topics I have taught you. The one is mountain high and another is threat in the wild. I hope, children, you understood these chapters. Now, my dear students, the last topic which I am going to teach you is body support. Page number 33. Let's have an introduction. Sometimes some body parts become weak and they require some support or aid to function properly. So this purpose we need supporters. Here we will learn about some body supporters in this chapter, and I am going to show you some pictures. All these pictures are related to your chapter. Crutch, support under the armpit by a lame person. Hearing aid, the device fits into the ear and increase the volume of the sound so that the person can hear it. Pacemaker, that uses electric impulses to control the speed and rhythm of the heartbeat. Contact lens, children. It is a thin curved plastic lens worn directly in the eye by people with poor eyesight. Next, dental braces, children. To strengthen teeth and position them correctly, your dentist may advise you to wear artificial limb. Sometimes due to an accident, a person may have to lose his limb. In such a case, an artificial limb replaces the missing limb. Now come to the exercise. I have shown you the picture of crutch. What is a crutch? A crutch is a long stick with a cross piece at the top used as a support under the armpit by a lame person. C-R-U-T-C-H, crutch. Second, deaf people. I have shown you the picture of hearing aid also, na children? Deaf people or people who cannot hear very well use this device. The device fits into the ear and increases the volume of the sound so that the person can hear it. What is it? Hearing aid. H-E-A-R-I-N-G-A-I-D. Number 3. It is a thin curved plastic lens worn directly in the eye by people with poor eyesight. Contact lens. C-O-N-T-A-C-T. Contact L-E-N-S. Contact lens. Next. Fourth. Sometimes teeth in your mouth can be crooked or overlapping. To strengthen teeth and position them correctly, your dentist may advise you to wear dental braces. D-E-N-T-A-L-B-R-A-C-E-S. Dental braces. Question number 5. This is a small. I have shown you na pacemaker. This is a small device that uses electrical impulses to control the speed and rhythm of the heartbeat. It regulates the heartbeat, children. Pacemaker, Pacemaker. Question number 6. Sometimes, due to an accident of a person may have to lose his limb, in such a case an artificial limb replaces the missing limb. Artificial, artificial, limb, artificial limb. Only 6 questions in this chapter. Let's repeat, children. A crutch is a long stick with a cross piece at the top used as support under the armpit by a lame person. Crutch. Second, deaf people or people who cannot hear very well use this device. The device fits into the ear and increases the volume of the sound so that the person can hear it. Hearing aid. Hearing aid. So third, it is a thin curved plastic lens worn directly in the eye by people with poor eyesight. Contact lens. CONTACT. Contact LENS. Next. Fourth, sometimes teeth in your mouth can be crooked or overlapping. To strengthen teeth and position them correctly, your dentist may advise you to wear dental braces. DENTAL BRACES. Question number 5. This is a small device that uses electrical impulses to control the speed and rhythm of the heartbeat. Pacemaker. 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 Last. Sometimes, due to an accident, a person may have to lose his limb. In such a case, an artificial limb replaces the missing limb. ARTIFICIAL. Artificial. LIMB. Artificial limb. So, once again, I will show you all the pictures which you have studied in this chapter. First, crutch, hearing aid, and these all are, children, body supporter. And why we use pacemaker? Why we use these body supporters? Some body parts become weak and they require some support for aid to function properly. Contact lens. जनरली कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस किस लिए पहनते हैं बेटा, किस लिए लगाते हैं कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस? बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल विथ पुअर आईसाइट. बट नाउ डेज सम पीपल और सम गर्ल्स और बॉयज दे यूज इट फॉर बिकम स्मार्ट. इससे हम स्मार्ट दिखते हैं. वी कैन अवॉइड द स्पेक्स बाय यूजिंग कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस. नेक्स्ट, डेंटल ब्रेसेस. सी, artificial limb. Exercise already we have discussed. Children, exercise you will write in the book. You will write, listen carefully, you will write exercise in the book. But assignment I am giving you, you will write in the copy. Write any 3 body supporters. You can write crutch, you can write contact lens, you can write dental braces, you can write pacemaker. Any 3 body supporters you have to write in your copy. First assignment I gave you, children. Write any 5 endangered animal. Second assignment I gave you. Write any 5 mountain high. Third assignment which I am going to give you is write any 3 body supporters. You will write only the assignment in copy. No need to write full book. Okay, page number 33 तक आपको बुक में सिर्फ काम करना है. यू हैव नॉट टू राइट इन द कॉपी. 30 से लेके 33 तक कॉपी में नहीं करना है, केवल असाइनमेंट कॉपी में करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई थिंक you understood all these chapters. Now I wrap up this session. Okay children, take care. Thank you.